This, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tahir Mahmood Khan from the Right of Access to Information. Today we are with the street children, and this is the duty of the government to provide these beautiful and innocent street children their right to get into the main scenario. These kids don't get their quality education, their quality food, and anything that is available to an affluent family, to an aristocratic family. The United Nations and all the international regimes and all the international communities, they take action to bring these street children to the right place. Since Right TV has the duty, and Right TV, its mission is to give quality rights to all these kids. Look at the beauty and the innocence of this kid. If the government can put its resources in the right direction and give them their due rights, they would be able to become an important member of the society. So this is a food for thought given by the Rights TV. So all the nations, international nations, Committee of Nations, and the United Nations, they'll have to play their due role to bring these street kids into their best future. Next time we will be in another topic, so that the rights of the citizens, rights of the children, rights of every human being would be available to his doorstep. Until then, Tahir Mahmood Khan signing off from the Rights TV. Allah Hafiz.